Welcome back to my channel, guys. You are watching Ian Plus Nature TV, and today my fruitsman decided to pull up at my house, which is a beautiful thing, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Guys, today is a beautiful day, guys, and today I would like to share this with you. Okay, look at all the beautiful fruits, look at all the colors, the beautiful colors of natures in this van, guys. It is so beautiful. Look at these beautiful oranges, green and yellow, guys. Okay, two colors and they're all sweet. Guys, these are some grapes here. You know, grapes are very beautiful and sweet, very good to have even at night. Here we go, we have the kiwi, the papaya, the American apples, our pepper, hot pepper, okay guys, so here we go now. My friend will show you the right way to peel a pineapple. All of these fruits are planted by my friend right here. He have a couple of gardens, and that's how he gets all his fruits, guys. All authentic stuff. So this is how you peel a pineapple, guys. All those eyes in the pineapples, you got to cut them out, because if you don't, it will scratch your throat, guys. Very bad for your throat. So you got to get those eyes out before you can consume this beautiful fruit. See the way he cuts it horizontally? There are different ways to do it, but that's the good way, so you don't waste too much of the pineapple. Here we have our American apples here, guys, the red one. Look how beautiful the broccoli is, guys. That's the green broccoli right there. Oh, broccoli is so good, guys. I love to steam broccoli with the okra and also the cabbage. Kiwi, one of my favorite fruit. Kiwi. Our sweet peppers that goes with our seasoning. Oh guys, our pumpkin. You know how much I like pumpkin. I love pumpkin, guys. Guys, look at this beautiful juicy melon. Looking oh so delicious. Here we go, we have some yam, carrots, ripe plantains. You know how beautiful ripe plantain is. Beautiful cabbage. Beetroots. Look at all these real authentic Jamaican food, guys. Guys, you know, you need to get, if not all, most of these things in your kitchen, guys. It is very important to have good authentic food in your kitchen. Okay, you know that fruit is priority. You have to have fruits in your kitchen, guys. Even if you don't consume fruit every day, you need to have fruits around you where you can consume it whenever you can afford. Okay, vegetable is a must, guys. We need to take care of ourselves. Okay, these are some of the few things that I got. A piece of pumpkin, very nice and colorful. A piece of melon, very nice. You know I love melon and I love pumpkin. Everything I got here is stuff that I love and I use every day. Garlic, carrot, scallion, papaya, onions. Just a few of the things that I got. My kiwi, I got a few kiwis. My Irish potatoes. Hot peppers, you know we love hot peppers, can't leave those out. Okay, got to be hot. Okay guys, these are just a few of the stuff I got today. Hope you watched the entire video. Appreciate your support guys. Please like, share, subscribe and leave a positive comment. Thank you guys. I'm out.